Hi everyone, I'm Annie here. I'm back and show you my another goodies box. And you can see this is the different, different theme. And this is the Bohemian, like a Gypsy goodie box. And also, that this is the tiny one. This is my handmade. I matched with this box. So later I will show you. Yeah, maybe I just show you the small one first. Okay. I just use the hook to hold it here. Okay, let me put this down first and show you the small box handbag. And I use the cardstock to make this. Follow the shape, okay, and layer with the fabric. And inside is just something, the flower. All the colors is matched with this theme. I put all this flower in this small handbag. This, okay, so show you again. Layer with the fabric. It's very easy to make this, and layer the back and the side, just leave it. And I layer 2 layers of the cardstock, so it's quite stiff. Okay, so yeah, and let me to show you the big size and the big box. You couldn't believe it. And this one is a moon cake box also. Unbelievable, right? Because look at this. And yeah, and the original color I will show you after the video. You can see it's a very bright orange color. So I just show you later, and I paint with the color to match with this theme. So yes, and you can see, focus, I print out this image and do the embroidery, roses and leaf with the like a organza embroidery trim. Focus, you can see it. Okay, embroidery on the image, because the original image also is this ladies to hold. Yeah, she holding the bunch of the roses, so I just follow the pattern and embroider on top. Okay, and add this beautiful applique and make the dress, layer with all this the matching fabric with this to make a dress. Underneath is the doily. Can you see? Underneath is my hand dyed doily, and layer with the dress here. And you can see at the applique and the dangle, and add the rose here to match with the color. Underneath I just cover with the fabric, different kind of the fabric, but the same fabric. Show you the side. Yeah, so many of the, I was also this kind of the patch fabric underneath, and layer with the laces and doily and fabric, and layer with these dangle beads here, and different color of the trim and beaded. And this is one of my god love this applique sequins, and the colors match with this so well. And see underneath also with the fabric, and layer with the doily, and here, and this one I just cover with this fabric because I didn't print the this part here. So yeah, and this one also one of my Gypsy collection. And this, you can see the lady, I make like a, how to call this thing, to cover, and add these two small flower and one tangle here. And you can see I stuff with the fiber, so make it dimension. Okay, this is the front, and the side just like so, and this is the back. Just the same with this. Okay, and Bohemian, yeah, just put this here, and here with different of the fabric here to make it simple. And the holder, I use this trim. The original handle is like a leather, but I just remove and hold it, make this as a handle. Okay, it's heavy, and yeah, please, yeah, for the who receive this, and you have to check this out, how to open this. And actually it's pull up, it's a button. Oh, see, I have to glue again because the hot glue too hard, and the button still here. I have to glue again the button together with this applique. Maybe a stitch, I think I couldn't stitch it. I have used a very strong glue to glue it together. So it's the button, it's the crochet. So put it down. Just zoom out. And this also is a very bright orange color, and I color with this blue, so to match with this theme. You can see like this when you put down, like so. Gorgeous box, right? And the quality is, you can see, is very good, very good quality. So let me put it down here. And this is my handmade Trifold pocket bowl. Also make this, print this lady, and just alternate and layer the, this is a cardstock, okay, and layer with the fabric and the trim. This is the bag, and this my hand dye muslin fabric. Yeah, I have sell this in my Facebook group. If you are interested, you just let me know. I have different colors of this one. I have dyed the green and like a purple. Yeah, so many different color, and turn out so shabby chic. Okay, look the colors. And pull up, open. I use this to tie. Open this book here, layer with another image that I print out on the muslin. Open up, so, and I handmade this little tangle. So yeah, can use on to the projects, and still can add some more because you can see the hook here. Yeah, so I just make a very simple one. So you can add some more for the tangle. You can see, okay, and I use the paint to hold all the tangle together. It's very simple to make this one. Easy. See this one. And this one, the bit, and as I see, you can hang some more under the hook here. And this one, the butterfly, and this one quite long, with the flower both sides. Okay, so all this embellishment can use to into the project. And this one, another bit. This one. The glue. Okay, oh, this is my handmade, and this applique. Love this one. Match with the theme. This one, screen. You can see it's a cardstock. Make the pocket here. This one put here. And this I use this netting lace to make another pocket here. All the same. And also print some of the images on the fabric, so you can use. Okay, that's the same. So just put this back here in the pocket. All this is very simple, easy to make. If you have the like the trim, the beaded trim, just cut the pieces and just glue and add something you like. So you get this one. Thank you. This one. So yeah, this is very fun to make and turn out beautiful, right? So all this is the embellishment I'll put here, and let me tie it. So we got this. I'll put here and put on top. Sorry, I'm back. Yeah, run out battery. Continue. And I layer, and inside the box, the original color is the black, and I cover and paint with this fabric. This paper and the fabric. So this one open up, and I just paint. You can see underneath is the black cover with the paper. So inside a few, and you can see this open up. It's a drawer, like a box, and I fill up all this embroidery, lace, trim. All is my collection. Into this box. So all different and match with this theme, the color. So there we will know, yeah, all is quite bright color. So all here, beautiful, different I will not show you all the item inside here. Okay, and the underneath, this one couldn't stick with the box. This one cannot remove. So yeah, just one of my velvet flower handmade, and this one also one of my embellishment kit, my handmade flower. The color is matched with this, so I include this in the box. And in the box here, and you have to use this to pull out the fabric. And I put all this kind of the color fabric matched with this theme. And you can see the box here. Inside a cover layer with the fabric, the paper. So this put inside, just fit. Put this 2 flower in, and all these yummy laces inside, and this is the cover. And the tag also, I print all this. The color is matched with this theme. The back print to the double side, and with this pretty. Okay. Okay. Let me to show you. Because inside the box is really full, so I have to make this folder to keep store the embellishment that I made. So this one, close, and the button, and I have to glue again here. Okay, so yeah, and don't forget my little one. Maybe I use the fabric the trim to tie it together, but I just want to show you how it look like. So yeah, that's it. This is my Bohemian or Gypsy style goodies box, and I really hope you all like this, and who received this, and I really hope she will like, just like I did. Okay, so yeah, this one I showed you before, one of my Gypsy Gypsy 3 stack suitcase. Yeah, you can check out my video if you haven't watched it. So yes, yeah, and yeah, don't forget to give me a big thumbs up and leave me a comment and let me know what you all think. And bye bye for now, and yeah.